If you want to see how many impressions your post is getting on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to check it in just a few seconds. This is really useful if you want to understand how far your content is reaching, how people are engaging with it, and which posts are performing best on your profile. Whether you are a creator, a marketer, or just someone trying to grow on X, checking impressions can help you make smarter posting decisions. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, go to your X profile and look for the post you want to analyze. Scroll through your posts until you find the exact one you want to check. This could be a recent tweet, a promoted post, or any post you want to measure. Once you have found it, look directly on the post for the three-dot menu, which appears as three small dots. Click on that menu to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select View Post Analytics. This is the section that gives you the performance details for that specific post. After you click it, a pop-up window will appear showing the exact number of impressions. It will also show total engagements, which helps you see how users interacted with the post. Impressions tell you how many times your post was shown on screens, while engagements tell you how many actions people took, such as clicks, likes, replies, reposts, or profile visits. If you are trying to grow on X, this is one of the most important numbers to check because it shows whether your content is being seen and whether people are responding to it. You can use this information to test different post styles, different posting times, and different captions to see what works best. If one post gets a lot more impressions than another, that may be a sign that the topic, wording, or timing was stronger. So make it a habit to check your post analytics regularly. It only takes a moment, and it can give you a lot of valuable insight into your audience. Once you know where to find your impressions, you can start making better decisions for future posts and improve your overall performance on X. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.